Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to turn off safe mode on Android. So in order to turn off the safe mode, the only thing that you can do is restart your phone. So what you have to do is press and hold the power button. Now you'll be able to find the options like emergency, lockdown, power off and restart. So all you have to do is tap on the option restart. After that your device will be restarted and safe mode will automatically be exited. Alternatively, in some devices you may also have a safe mode notification in the notification panel. All you have to do is simply tap on that notification. After that too, your phone will be restarted and the safe mode will be disabled. So like this, you'll be able to disable the safe mode. So that is how you turn off safe mode on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.